Welcome back to Product Critique, your ultimate destination for honest reviews and insightful product analysis. Today, we're diving into the world of footwear to explore the best Skechers Foamies Reggae sandals for women available on the market. Get ready to discover why these sandals are causing such a buzz. First things first, let's talk about comfort. The Skechers Women's Reggae Slim Takes 2 sandals are engineered with your comfort in mind. Featuring a memory foam cushioned insole, these sandals provide unparalleled support and cushioning with every step you take. Whether you're strolling through the city streets or lounging by the beach, your feet will thank you for choosing these. But comfort isn't the only thing these sandals have to offer. With a faux leather and stretch upper, along with adjustable hook and loop closure straps, you'll experience a perfect fit every time you slip them on. No more worrying about straps digging into your skin or sandals slipping off as you walk. These sandals stay secure and comfortable all day long. Now, let's talk durability. The Skechers Women's Reggae Slim Takes 2 sandals are built to last. With a flexible high-traction rubber outsole and machine-washable design, these sandals are ready to tackle whatever adventures come your way. Whether you're exploring rugged terrain or simply running errands around town, these sandals can handle it all. Of course, we can't forget about style. Available in a sleek black color with a modern design, these sandals are sure to elevate any outfit. Whether you're pairing them with jeans and a t-shirt for a casual day out or dressing them up with a sundress for a summer soiree, these sandals add a touch of chickness to any look. In conclusion, the Skechers Women's Reggae Slim Takes 2 sandals are the epitome of comfort, style, and durability. With their memory foam cushioned insole, adjustable closure straps, and sleek design, these sandals are a must-have addition to any woman's wardrobe. Trust me, once you slip into a pair of these, you'll never want to take them off. That's all for today's review. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more in-depth product critiques. Until next time, happy shopping!